Started with a valve, rusty old red piece of junk I found behind my studio. I don't remember why I did it, but I put my head inside this thing and I jumped at a certain angle near a wall and boom! I flew like landed on my neighbor's roof. Anyway, I started stuff like this, other unknowns. My favorites were coding testing and speedrunning, launching myself across town in 14 seconds flat. Neighbors kind of I was down there for a week, looking to shave a quarter-second off between the bus stop and Admiralty, which was like a half-mile away. One day, I hit my jump at the wrong angle and go head first through what should have been like a concrete wall. Only it wasn't. I passed right through it. I landed in this tiny little box of a room. I can barely stand up in it. Right away, it doesn't feel like I'm supposed to. Three of the walls looked right, but one of them had grid patterns, like somebody had it